Hello and welcome to Grantham Caravans. My name's Brian, I'm part of the sales team here at Grantham. You can contact us on 01476 560 599. Just going to take you on a short walk around tour of a Lunar Clubman SB 2015 that we've currently got in stock. So here is a good look at that particular model. So the Clubman range being the top of the range that Lunar offer on a single axle with a wonderfully spacious front locker box. Also benefiting from the ATC trailer control system, making for a far safer and secure tow. As we come down the side of the caravan, you've got an exterior barbecue point, exterior wet locker box with 240-volt socket, that beautiful Clubman logo going down the side of the caravan. You've got a stable door with bin and window, and also an access hatch to underneath one of those single beds. So stepping inside the caravan, the first thing you notice is a very, very spacious sideboard area with worktop extension in the kitchen. A medium-sized under-counter fridge with easy usable height microwave and also ample storage throughout this particular model. The oven, you're benefiting from 3 gas hob burners and 1 electric in a combination oven and grill with pan storage underneath. You've got a beautiful two-tone locker effect in cream over wood. And then a good look at this wonderful fabric scheme, which shows you exactly how well looked after this particular caravan was by the previous owner. You've got television point down the front here, so you can pop a TV on this front chest area, which has short pull-out table. You're benefiting from the Aldi wet central heating system in this particular model, with the Lunar Command Centre located above the habitation door. You've got a second television point located just as you step in on the right, with plenty and further storage there. As we step through to the bedroom area, with a nice large wardrobe, plenty of drawers underneath, and very spacious, lengthy single beds. That locker effect going throughout the caravan and really offsetting and making it look absolutely fantastic, giving it light, bright and airy feel, with a generous sized Hecky light in the bedroom area. You've got a third television point located here in the bedroom area, should that be a consideration for you. So as we step through to an extremely spacious individual shower cubicle, wonderful finish on the sink with storage underneath and a nice large vanity mirror. You've got your Aldi wet central heated towel rail just located here, and also further storage with a shelf just above the toilet. So that gives you a real good feel for what this Lunar Clubman SB 2015 has to offer. If you have any queries or questions, please don't hesitate to contact us. And the final point, which really offsets and makes this particular model look fantastic, is this wonderfully large sunroof, letting a huge amount of light into the caravan, giving a fantastic feeling of space. I hope you enjoyed the walk round tour on this particular caravan. We look forward to hearing from you and hope we can do business together. Thank you very much. Bye bye now.